Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Tactical Talks. Today we're going to be talking about off-body carrying in a bag and how to carry a gun doing so. So before we get into off-body carrying and bags and all these things, I'm not a huge fan of off-body carry. I don't off-body carry. This is just something that I wanted to show you guys or teach you guys how to set up. Very cheap. This is a DIY with things that you have in your house, so that you guys can accomplish what I'm accomplishing right now. So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. All right, guys, for this video, what we're gonna use is an old light switch cover. We're gonna use some Velcro strips, an old Glock 43 holster that I have sitting around, and any bag that you wanna use, but you gotta make sure for this project that the inside of the bag is lined with Velcro. So let's get started. All right, so what I already did was I took the clip off of this holster. So there's a little screw that's sitting in there. We're gonna go ahead and unscrew that. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to screw that screw into this light switch holder. And I know you guys are like, why are you using this? Why don't you just buy a holster? This whole project is based around somebody who doesn't normally carry off of their body. Maybe they decided that day or that weekend that they were gonna go somewhere where they have to off-body carry because they can't carry a gun on their person. And this is a way to use things around your house to be able to accomplish that off-body carry. So now what I'm doing is I'm screwing in the light switch cover onto the holster. Now this holster is just a very simple Black Hawk holster that I have. What I thought was kind of cool about this, and this was completely unintentional, was it has one screw mount to screw into the holster. What that's going to allow me to do is, while this is in the bag, I can adjust whichever angle I want for this to sit. So I thought that was kind of cool. So now what we're going to do is we're going to apply the Velcro to the back of this so that it'll stick into our bag. All right, guys, so I got the Velcro strips put on to this light cover, or the light switch cover. Don't worry about making this look the prettiest or whatever. I didn't show you guys how to do it. You guys know how to take off sticky stuff off of one side and stick it on. But this is the rough side of that Velcro. Now, I pressed it on there a few times, made sure that we got a decent little fit. This is just Velcro that I had laying around the house. Some of you may have this. If not, you can buy the strip of this from Dollar General for $2, $3 at most. But now we have that. Time to put it in our bag. All right, guys, so as you can tell, this thing is very small, very sleek. All it is just a very slim holster that we already had. And like I said, that light cover. Now what we're gonna do is open up the bag. I don't know how easy it is for you guys to see. We're gonna open the bag and we're gonna set it kind of low, just because the gun's gonna sit up here on top. But if you look inside the bag that's in there, it's not going anywhere. It moves the entire bag before that holster comes off of there. So now the only thing left to do is put a gun inside of it. So those of you who don't know me or don't normally watch my channel, I've talked about bags before. I don't carry a bag on me normally. I don't usually carry a gun in my bag. When I do carry a bag, my biggest thing is I wanted to show you guys. I've had a lot of questions about people asking me, do you off-body carry? If so, how do you do it? Do you just throw it in your bag? And the last thing you want is a gun just bouncing around in your bag. And I get that there's safeties and all these other features that would kind of eliminate any kind of malfunction, not necessarily malfunction, but a misfire or anything. But what you want is something similar to this. There are holsters that are for sale that you can buy that stick inside of bags like these. But again, this whole video is for the person like myself who doesn't normally off-body carry. Maybe that weekend or that day, whatever, they're going on a little vacation or they're going somewhere where they cannot have a gun on their person and they're deciding to off-body carry. This is a bag that was given to me a while back. And again, I just don't utilize it. And I thought, what a great way for me to show you guys, if I was going to off-body carry, how would I do it? And again, this project didn't cost me anything just because these are things I already had around the house. I have a bunch of holsters that just sit around that I don't do anything with. Whether I've upgraded to better ones or, you know, they just don't do what I want them to do. They were good while they lasted, but they just kind of sit there. So I dug through my box of holsters. I found this old Black Hawk holster. this, like I said, this holster setup had one hole in it, so I thought I need something small, something sturdy, something that's gonna hold. I had an old light switch little panel sitting in the garage, so I grabbed that. The hole fit perfect for the screw. It's small enough, it's hard enough, you know, and I just had Velcro sitting around, so that's that. I can come out. Now this is something I would have to practice because, like I said, I don't off-body carry. What I would recommend is putting a bigger tab on the zipper here. Now I wouldn't have the zipper completely closed, so there would be a small gap, at least for me personally, where the zipper would stay open. And I would probably normally carry about here. So as I'm doing things, anything's going on, all my personal belongings, whether it's wallet, gun, obviously that's what's in here, other things that I had in my bag, I can carry right here by my side. And I know that it's gonna be a lot harder for a pickpocket or somebody to kind of get in here and get to my belongings, as to where if you had a backpack on, it's so much easier for somebody to manipulate that backpack, and it's so much harder for you to get to having it behind your back. So situation comes up, pull over, pull the zipper, come in, gun comes out, we're ready to go. This gun is clear, but that's how easy it is, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if you have any questions, anything I used. This is a 511 bag. Like I said, I don't know how much this cost. This was given to me, but if you guys have any questions, comments, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Thanks for checking this video out, and I'll see you on the next one. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Tactical Talks. Today we're going to be talking about my bag and how to carry a gun.